property I got here was originally a fish hatchery in 1929. And then it was sold and it was switched hands a bunch of times, and basically everything just went to hell. The house across the creek was falling down, the bridge was falling down, everything was falling down. I bought myself a nightmare. But anyway, it's been a passion of mine for years. I've basically had to rebuild just about everything here, but it's an amazing piece of property. I had to go off grid here. It's miles and miles from any power lines here. I'm off the grid, but I also want to be comfortable. So I don't want a loud screaming generator running all day long. I like to hear the creek. So we've rebuilt the old hydro plant. We've also put in some solar. I have two different power systems here. I have one for my machine shop, and then I have a hydroelectric power plant that makes right at 2 kilowatts. And that system right there powers 3 houses. We have a caretaker's house here, a guest house, and the main house, 2 garages, and a well. I now have a piece of property where I rarely, if ever, have to run a generator. It's just a beautiful environment, and I love it. You see my TV show, I'm a super nerd. Okay, I really am that nerd on TV. I got sick and tired of lead acid batteries. I researched and researched and researched, and I found battle-born batteries. It was the no brain damage battery. The last thing you want to do, especially when you're out in this environment, okay, if there's a storm or something like that, you can't get to town. Okay, so reliable power is a really, really big issue. And after done all my research, battle-born battery just seemed the logical choice. Reason why I started dealing with them like 3 years ago, and why I keep on doing battle-born, because this is one of the few companies I ever dealt with that all their promises came true. When they say maintenance-free, it really is maintenance-free. It's a super quality product. I've had them for 3 years now. I haven't had one problem with one battery. I feel safe with my wife being here, my kids being here. When I'm not being here, I don't worry about the power going out.